is truth, and 70% is actually untruth. And most of us who are caught in that saga were wondering whether this was just crime patrol at its best or was it factual information. We have to find out what is the role of MEPA. How do you devise a mechanism to ensure that quality is not compromised? Is it a fact that any Tom, Dick and Harry, Jane, Anne and Mary can just put up a story and decide that what they say is true? Look at some of these influencers that are now emerging in this media. They are actually making you extinct. They're actually challenging your survival. Please come up with important norms. What is allowed and what should not be allowed. I feel that self-policing is a very important concept of circulation of information. And though I miss my tenure as a lecturer, where issues need to be resolved amicably across the table over several discussions, and Honorable Chief Minister has requested me to make a mention that though he is not here, he is constantly reviewing obligations and commitments that have from time to time surfaced in the several engagements with regards to issues and agendas. We are very grateful to the Director, IPR, who after his stint of DC-ship over a few years has agreed to come back to DIPR to review and to give shape to some of the genuine concerns of MEPA in the interests of all concerned. My request to Sir Badlam at this point of time is to spend time to give flesh and blood to some of the proposals which have been left pending. We are also in conversation with the Honorable